Hi, my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Some recipes feel like home, and today's one brings that kind of comfort. A golden, gently crisp chicken cutlet fit with flavor and made with love. The kind of snack you crave after a long day or serve when someone special comes over. In a bowl, add half boneless chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, less than half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Keep aside and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Place a kadai on medium flame, pour water in it. Place the chicken. Add little oil. Cover with a lid and let it cook till the water dries completely. In between, I decided to cut the chicken so that it could cook faster. Once the chicken is cooked, remove the kadai from the flame and keep aside to cool completely. Place a pan on medium flame, heat little oil in it. Add 1 chopped onion. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Add 1 small chopped tomato, half green chili finely chopped. Saute on medium flame. Add little salt, some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped, 1 sauteed, switch off the flame. Shred the chicken. Transfer the shredded chicken into the pan and mix well. Add half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, less than half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of Goan vinegar. Mix well. Transfer it into a mixer jar. Cover the mixer jar with the lid and grind. Then transfer it into a bowl or shallow plate. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Add half green chili finely chopped. Add some fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Add little egg white. Add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well. You can taste this mixture and add salt if required. Take portions of the mixture in your hand and shape into cutlets. Ensure that the cutlets are smooth without any cracks. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. In a shallow plate, add some semolina, add little turmeric powder and mix well. Put the cutlets with the semolina. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the cutlets on medium flame. Fry the cutlets in batches, do not overcrowd the pan. They sizzle when they hit the pan, that's where the magic begins. It's that moment you know something special is cooking. Once one side of the cutlets is fried, cautiously flip the cutlets to fry the other side also. Once the cutlets are fried, switch off the flame. They are done. Golden, moist, and so flavorful. You can serve them with ketchup. I hope this becomes a favorite at your home too. From my kitchen to your screen, thank you for being here. I hope this felt warm just like a comforting meal should, sending you calmness and good wishes always.